Mighty Genghis, king of the hill, cream of the crop.
Oh, no, he's not.
This is Carrie Ling of CCN, Cable Conquerors Network, coming to you live from the Amazon River, where Genghis the Barbarian is approaching the heart of the rainforest where he plans to conquer the native tribes. Mr. Genghis, how do you feel about your chances here today?
Well, Kerry, we trained hard all spring, and we came here to win. I think the boys are ready, and I think we're going to give the fans a good show.
Anything you'd like to add?
Yes, what are we whispering for?
It's more dramatic this way.
Oh. Know what's even more dramatic? No talking at all! The natives are coming! Get ready! Incoming! Ah!
Well, sports fans, looks like Genghis is on the scoreboard first with a 6-0 lead over the Amazons. In other cartoons, it's Tex 3, Sid 2, Maurice 9, Mooch 2, and Freddy 41, Amanda 3.
We'll go ashore here!
Hello, I am Connie, native of the Amazon. Let me be your guide to the wonders of the rainforest.
Not interested! Now beat it before you get hurt!
One of the Amazon's most fascinating creatures is the piranha.
Piranha?
They've been known to eat a whole lion in less than 15 seconds.
Ah, no little fishies are gonna scare me! Huh? I'll fix them! There, sushi now! Yeah! Shoot those pests!
Don't worry, silly kitty. My little fishy friends won't bother you if they have something else to eat.
Like what?
A canoe. You know, there's really no reason to be scared of the little piranhas.
There isn't?
No. The Amazon poisonous tree tarantula is much deadlier.
Get these little lipo suckers off me! Is it just me, or does anyone else here feel a draft?
Hey, didn't anyone ever tell you that cutting down a rainforest can upset the delicate balance of life on our planet?
Just wait till you see how I upset your delicate balance.
Stop!
What? Where?
You're about to
Huh?
step on a baby Brazilian volcano ant. There's only one left in the world, you know.
Now there's none.
Oh, I didn't mean there was only one ant left. I meant there's only one ant hill.
Huh?
My baby! I just love these primitive tribal dances. Don't you?
When I conquer those natives, they're gonna pay for all this wonderful wildlife of theirs. Ah! across this bridge is the Amazon tribe's village. Get ready!
Sorry, no one is allowed to cross the bridge without paying the toll.
Let me guess. The money goes to the Save the Rainforest Fund. Forget it!
Actually, the money's for bridge repairs.
Little girl, throw me a line!
What about the toll?
Hey!
And then there's the cost of replanting those trees you cut down, remember? And a donation to the Volcano Ant Preservation Fund. Yeah, that should be enough. Grab onto this.
When I get off this bridge, I'm gonna destroy all the endangered species in the rainforest, including you.
Oh, you don't want to do that.
Why not?
Because my friend Monty Python will be very upset.
Hi there. Did I forget to donate to your cause, too?
Did you know Amazon pythons can swallow a whole cow and digest it over a period of 6 months?
What about lions?
You'll be fertilizer in less than a month.
It's a jungle out there.